Hello everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today I will be pleased to walk you through a beautiful late 15th century villa close by to Florence that today is operated as a boutique hotel. Strategically built on a panoramic spot overlooking the valley. This property offers vicinity to the town with all the services, at the same time total privacy and a property that is immersed in nature. Let's begin the tour. Come with me. The earliest certain news about the villa links it to the Del Rosso family, which was one of the most influential and most famous families in Florence. They also owned the surrounding land and farmhouses until the late mid-18th century. The entire estate was then inherited by the Libri family, who then kept it until 2012 and gave it the exquisite 18th century appearance that we find today. All services are available in the nearby village, 1 kilometer away, which can be easily reached on foot, and the historical center of Florence is about 25 minutes drive away. The nearest airport is Florence, and many of Tuscany Art City can be reached in less than 2 hours. The property covers a total surface of 3.8 hectares, which equals to about 9.5 acres. The property also includes within this external space a total of 3.4 hectares of olive grove, and among these beautiful outdoor spaces, the guests can walk and enjoy the nature in peace. On the side of the villa, we find a 300 square meters car parking, perfect for guests. Then, all around, there are 2 levels of garden. On the upper level, we find a lawn with beautiful hedges and varieties of plants. All around the villa, there then is a beautiful terracotta paved area with terracotta from Impruneta, close to Florence. The Italian garden of 1,200 square meters is located on the lower terrace, directly in front of the villa. Gravel paths and a fountain provide an elegant backdrop, making the property suitable for ceremonies and events. Finally, right below the villa, on a side, exposed on the southeastern side, which makes it great for sun exposure, we find the 14 by 5 meters swimming pool. It is completely surrounded by this beautiful stone-paved sunbathing area, and all of these green and these plants around give at the same time an open sky to look at, but total privacy. Welcome inside the main entrance of the villa on the ground level. The villa includes a total of approximately 2,200 square meters, which equal to 23,400 square feet. It is laid over a total of 5 floors connected by a lift with 25 bedrooms and 29 bathrooms. The villa is in good condition but would for sure benefit from some restoration works. Let's see it. Let's now talk about the layout of the ground level. As you walk inside, you find this large reception area with double height ceilings with decorations on the vaulted ceilings, terracotta floors, and from here we get on the left side to the reception room where you can check in. Right beside there is a large professional kitchen which serves the restaurant of the villa. Then next there is a small cozy bar area for the guests. And right beside me you find the access to the restaurant and to the breakfast rooms that I'm about to show you. Welcome inside the restaurant and breakfast section. It is made up of 3 quite large rooms with nice ceilings that are covered and detailed with wood, with beautiful large wooden beams. On the floor we have terracotta, and I love these 2 large doors that are perfectly symmetrical. Please follow me into the last section. This is the larger portion, and as you can see, it is the breakfast space. It can also be used as the restaurant. Nice and bright. On the left side you can see the ancient kitchen of the property. This works as a fireplace and it was used in the past as a full kitchen. On the left side over there is the outdoor access onto a large terrace by the pool, which makes it perfect also in the summertime to extend the restaurant to the outdoor spaces. Right behind me you then find the service bathroom that serves this floor. Right by the restaurant room we've seen there is another huge space. This is indeed the largest room on the ground level and probably in the whole villa. It has double height ceilings and some beautiful manorial proportions. Through that large door you see right behind me, we access to the back garden of the villa for alfresco dining. This room can be either an extension again to the restaurant and the breakfast spaces, or can be used also for ceremonies indoors. I wanted to show you how, interestingly, on the ceiling we can notice some decorations. They are 3 family crests, beautifully made, and they are 3 of the families that owned this property in the past. Beginning with the red crest with the horse from the Cerreto family, the central crest from the Libri family, and Baldini on the other side with the 3 moons. On the lower ground level we have the ancient 14th century wine cellar of the villa. This floor as well is connected through the lift, and all of this underground floor is huge. It includes also a very impressive spa that is currently being restored and under construction. Welcome to the first level of the villa. This is the larger reception room as we arrive. It is full of natural light with 3 big windows. The central one opens onto a charming balcony overlooking the front garden of the villa. From this room we access to all of the other 25 bedrooms of the property. Let's see some of them. Welcome inside one of the bedrooms of the villa. We currently are on one corner of the property. In fact, we have corner views with 2 sides exposure. Terracotta floors, and on that end we have the ensuite bathroom of the bedroom. Right beside we have another one of the bedrooms. It is in a different style with its own personality. Covered ceilings made out of wood, terracotta floors as well, and the ensuite bathroom. Through this window we overlook the beautiful swimming pool of the villa. Welcome inside the 3rd bedroom of the villa. It is nice and large, high ceilings covered with wooden details. From this room and from the overall layout of the villa, you can see how the layout has been left pretty much untouched, even during the conversion to the boutique hotel, which means that either you can refurbish it and convert it into a higher-end boutique hotel, or you could even convert the property into a private residence. Here we are inside the last bedroom I'd love to show you. This is right under the roof. We are in a corner of the villa, and you can see how the roof has been beautifully restored, keeping all of the original beams and using antique terracotta tiles. It is in great condition and the charm has been kept untouched. And here we are ending today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed this home just as much as I did. As you can see, at the moment it is a charming boutique hotel, but looking at the layout that hasn't been changed much during the last years in the conversion into an hotel, it could be even used and converted into a private home. 30 minutes away to Florence and immersed in nature. I hope you liked it. Please share your thoughts on the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!